Calakmul Bioshpere Reserve is one of the largest protected areas in Mexico. It also happens to be one of the better protected. That said, there's still a significant fire season between April and June, sometimes into July. So I've shown up a little late to the game here. Most of the deforestation that I'm seeing has already burnt. There's not a lot of smoke in the air. There are a lot of open fields of burnt brush and trees, most of which is the result of reckless slash and burn practices, some hunting. Officials are also concerned about the communities along the outside of the reserve. There are a lot of them on its borders, and they're growing in population, attracting people from other states. Also, they're switching from manual agricultural techniques to mechanized tractors, combines, things like that. So the areas are being cleared much more quickly, and there's a threat that in years to come they will bleed over into Calakmul, which would obviously be problematic.